Hello world, this is What's Up 2190, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the time that your Windows computer will shut down to install software updates, and I'll also be showing you how to remove or uninstall a Windows software update should the need arise for you. Now you shouldn't normally do this because by default Windows will shut down to install updates at night. But I'll show you how to change the hours that'll, shut down that Windows will shut down to install updates by default. And you shouldn't really remove Windows software updates because Microsoft in those software updates they release, security patches and stability fixes and things like that. But this tutorial will show you how to remove one if a Windows update is causing something to not work right on your computer. Or it's causing one of your programs to not work correctly. So what you're going to want to do is go to your search bar and just search for Windows Update. Windows Updates, go to Windows Update Settings, and then the window that looks like this will pop up. So to change the hours that Windows will shut down to install updates, you just want to click the button I'm clicking, and then it'll come up with a window that looks like this. Now these are the hours that Windows will by default will automatically shut down to install updates. However, you can easily change those hours just by clicking on the drop down menus here under the times, then just changing it to whatever hour and minute you want. And between this start time and end time that's selected is the time when Windows will say that it's okay to shut down your computer to install software updates. Now to remove software updates, or if you'd installed software updates, just click the button that I'm about to click. Sorry, click the wrong one. My mistake, click this one. And then this will show all the updates that are installed within the past couple of days or so. And to remove an update, just click the remove an update button I just clicked, and right click on the update you want to remove and then click uninstall, and then that's it. That'll remove that update. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 2190, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.